Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Today we are touring this brand new, modern, elevated and east-facing house and lot for sale here in Quezon City, Metro Manila. I'm Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and let's begin by discussing the property size. It has a total floor area of approximately 525 square meters and a 300 square meter lot, and it has 3 levels. Let's go! Through the pedestrian gate, to your left, you have a landscape garden area. This is a nice pop of greenery upon entering and leaving the house. And you can also slide this door leading towards your living area, which we will explore in a little while. On this side, you have this elegant touch of having this marble design beside your main door. And here you have your carport area for 2 large vehicles. Also access the side of the house towards the staff room from this side, and the parking area is also almost completely covered with a nice wooden design for the ceiling, giving you a warm feel for this space. Let's head on over towards your main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. To your living area with a high ceiling with beautiful modern lighting. You have a feature wall right here with a marble design similar to what you have beside the main door. You have an open concept plan for your living and dining space right here. And you have a view of your second floor hallway space. For convenience, you also have your powder room right here beside the main amenity spaces. A notable aspect of this property are the quality total branded fixtures used for the powder room and the bathrooms of the property. Here's another view. And another nice touch are the inclusions of the curtains already. On this side, you have your dining area. Your living area is defined by the high ceiling. This space is where you have your dining area. You can have a table here that can fit 6 to 8 people, and it has this nice feature wall with that marble splash tile design where you can have some items displayed, and you can even potentially have a coffee machine right here beside the dining area. And then on this side, you have your modern kitchen. Your modern kitchen has a large island countertop with a space here where you can have some stools, make it a nice breakfast nook. You also have a stainless steel sink for your countertop area, as well as a Ladgermania branded range hood and induction cooktop as well. You have plenty of storage on this side, and in terms of natural light, you have a large window on one side and a door leading to the side of the house for additional access and at the same time, natural light. Another nice touch is you have the sliding door right here. so that you can have separation between the dining and kitchen space, but you can leave it open to have that increased open feel. And as I mentioned before, you can slide open the window on this side, giving you plenty of ventilation from the front garden. You can also slide the windows here at the side, giving you access towards the pavers at the side of the house. And on this side, you already have a floor-mounted air conditioning unit. And now let's explore the first room in the house. Now, what's noticeable for this property is the quality Narra wood flooring. I love the finish because it's not too shiny, but at the same time, it has this nice matte look. And then you have built-in cabinetry already. And of course, a Panasonic split-type inverter air conditioning unit. And it has an ensuite bathroom as well. Once again, with Toto branded fixtures. I'd also like to point out the significant ceiling height and the design of the doors, which extend to almost the ceiling. And you have that natural wood extending also for the staircase. Let's go. You have natural light here coming from this window. Tempered glass for the barrier. Natural wood also for the railing to match the flooring. And here we are at your second level. Here we are at the second level where you have a spacious family hallway area. And this gives you a nice view of your living space. In addition, in terms of safety, this is a significant height for the tempered glass barrier. So if you're looking to purchase this home and you have small children in the family, no worries in terms of the safety here. You also have a nice picture window on the other side of the family hallway, just giving you a lot of natural light for the space. Now, let's begin by taking a look at the primary bedroom right here. Check out the door heights as well. This is the east-facing room in the property. So this enjoys the morning sun. Right now we're filming around noon time. So the sun is directly coming from above. So in the afternoon, the sun is already on the other side of the property and it's quite cool here. You already have an entertainment console space here where you can have your television set and a nice desk space as well. You also have convenience switches right here for the lights right beside where you can position the bed. And you have such a large window right here for the front of the house. What's nice also here is you have the vertical slats which add to the facade of the house, but also give you additional shade in the morning. Here you have a private balcony for your master bedroom. Now this balcony is not just a Juliet balcony in terms of the size. You can have a table and a couple of chairs right here. It's also almost completely covered and is a nice addition to your primary bedroom. You already have a view of the mountains and hills to the east of the property as well from here. This property is located at one of the higher points in this peaceful and well-planned village. And we're back here at your primary bedroom, and let's take a quick look at your walk-in closet space and bathroom. You have a space-saving sliding door here. Let's go. So your primary bathroom has a large sink right here, a Toto branded toilet again, and a tempered glass shower enclosure with a rainfall shower head directly built into the ceiling already. You have lots of natural light, care of a window at the other side of the room, and plenty of storage here on the other side. And now let's explore the third and fourth rooms. Let's go. This room once again has a Panasonic split type air conditioning unit. In terms of the size, this can fit a double bed or even a queen sized bed if you'd like. You can position your television on this side and you already have built-in cabinetry. And right here you have your ensuite bathroom with natural lighting and ventilation, but still affording you that privacy. And now let's head on over towards your fourth bedroom. You have this floor-to-ceiling window giving you lots of natural light for the room. And you can see how warm the feel is for the room because of the Narra flooring. The way the light bounces off the wood gives that warm glow to the rest of the area. It has a similar size to the last room and once again an ensuite bathroom on this side. So the layouts of the third and fourth rooms are quite similar with minor differences. And right here, let's head on over towards the third level of the property. And you have a nice high ceiling space right here, giving you a grand feel as you head on over towards the top level of the property, where we have a great surprise for you. Now welcome to the fifth room in this house. Already took a look at 4 bedrooms and we can consider this a fifth room, which can also be a fifth bedroom because it already has a bathroom as well. If you don't need 5 rooms, you can maximize this as an entertainment space, but it's up to you. And what's great about this room is it already has this kitchenette space with plenty of storage. You have a floor-mounted air conditioning unit already, and an ensuite bathroom. On the left side, you have the shower area. This shows that this area can be maximized as a bedroom. And as an entertainment area, this is also an excellent powder room space. And then on this side, you have a pantry room. So you have additional storage here, and then this leads out to an access area for the condensers of the air cons. Okay, let's head on back. Now you can imagine entertaining friends or guests here, and if you use this as a bedroom, you can imagine having your private kitchen area right here. And you can even have an additional dining table right here, or even an additional living room set. In terms of the size, there are so many possibilities. In terms of the ventilation, you can also open up these windows, and they also have pull-out screens as well. And now it's time to explore one of the best aspects of this property, your spacious roof deck. This is an incredible space. Number one, because of the size. You can have multiple tables over here, have a great party or family get-together. A second great aspect is the privacy. In terms of the angle from the street, you can barely see anyone who's up here from street level. Thirdly, the potential of having a cover right here to maximize the space. And fourthly, you have a fantastic view of the mountains and hills to the east of Metro Manila. You can also imagine exercising in this space, and in the evenings, this is such a relaxing spot and truly a haven for you and your family. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message or follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.